Right, I know what to do now. I'm hearing a bit of tidying up on the EQ of the brakes. I can hear a bit of low end going on now. Maybe a bit too much. Alright, so we've got the Brainworks on the beat. Try a bit of this. Yeah, mate, that's just rinsing that. Yeah, roll it out. That's it. Okay, or repeat. 454, mate. Track done. Right, let's watch our peaks. Alright, so now. Nice. Right, let me see what I can do with this string. Got to do something with this string. Quite nice. Okay guys, just to let you know, I'm doing all of the samples in this project, including the arrangement file, the whole entire arrangement, bounce out stems, and also all of these individual samples and breaks as well that are now in a phrase format as well. So you've got your individual phrases and stuff like that. So the reason why I've done the phrases as well is so that you can just literally just press a key and put the beats at literally any tempo, and it will work straight into your projects. I've got the breaks used here. All of them are timed up, BPM to whatever BPM you want to do, and also the whole arrangement, so you can load it up, you can check it out. The pack's now available at samploids.com. Go there, grab it. I'll put a link in the description. Also, you'll be supporting the channel by grabbing the pack and mess about with the samples on there and get a feel for how this all works. Also, for those of you who are the patrons, the pack is now available to download on the Patreon, free of charge, obviously, because you're already a patron. So that's big up to you guys for showing the support, showing love, keeping the channel going. Yes, guys, big up.
That sounds alright, let's have a listen to that. Might be a bit harsh though, let's see what the old spec said on it. Span. Fishbone. Turn it down a bit now. I'd say the filter is a bit harsh. Surprises, yeah? Ooh. There you go. Surprises. Yeah, studio-y. I had a little dead spot there.
Okay peeps, this video is part of a multi-series. Look out for the next one. Please smash that like button if you want to see more quicker. Big up man, take care, God bless, peace.